I'm now a candidate to be the next Bexar County District Attorney. And the reason I did it, and one of the headlines was social media personality analysis run for DA. And I've always thought of myself as a board certified criminal defense attorney and a trial lawyer. So it was funny for me to see myself as a social media personality, but I'll embrace that, and I'm going to tell you why. The district attorney's office right now is not good at communicating what it's doing. It just doesn't do an effective job. And the result of that is in that void, people fill that void in. And sometimes they fill it in with positive stuff, and sometimes they fill it in with negative stuff, and sometimes they fill it in with stuff that is just completely off the wall. And that's a real problem. People lose faith in the system. And some of you may say, well, you shouldn't have any faith in the system, but I don't think that's true. What we need is a criminal justice system, and what we can have is a criminal justice system that is fair for everybody. If a victim needs to be protected, we can do that. If a defendant needs to be incapacitated, we can do that, and we can do everything in between. But we need a district attorney's office that acts strategically and then explains that strategy to the community. So you understand what happens when I call the police, what happens when we reach out for help, what happens when I'm the victim of a crime and nobody's listening. Why is that? And I've been hearing from a lot of you, and this district attorney's office does not do a good job of explaining why it's doing things. I'm going to explain the process, and I'm also going to improve the results. I'm going to do both of those things, and what we're going to end up with is a system that people can have faith in. So as we are a local community, you're going to be able to have faith in your district attorney's office that they'll do the right thing, that they'll protect victims that need protecting, that they'll help the defendants that can be helped, and incapacitate the ones that are beyond that help. Thanks for listening, and I'm excited.